In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import tasks in Zoho CRM. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can bring in your tasks quickly and avoid manually entering them one by one. First, open your Zoho CRM account and log in if you're not already signed in. Once you're on the main CRM homepage, look toward the top or side navigation bar where all your main modules are listed. Here, you'll see items like leads, contacts, deals, and so on. What we're interested in is the section for activities. Next, click on Activities. This is the area in Zoho CRM where all your day-to-day actions are grouped together, such as tasks, calls, and events. Think of it as your central hub for everything you need to follow up on. Clicking Activities will make sure you're in the right place to access and manage your tasks. Once the Activities page is open, look for the option labeled Tasks and click on it. This switches the view so you're only seeing tasks, not calls or events. You should now be on the Tasks module, where you can usually see a list or a board of existing tasks, along with options to create new ones. At the top right of the Tasks page, you'll see a button that usually says Create Task. This is where you'd normally go to add a single task manually. Instead of clicking the button itself, look closely for a small arrow or drop-down icon next to it. This arrow is important because it reveals extra options that aren't visible at first glance. Click on that small arrow next to Create Task. When you do, a short menu will appear with additional actions related to tasks. From that drop-down menu, select the option called Import Task. This is the feature that lets you bring in multiple tasks at once from a file, instead of entering them one by one. After clicking Import Task, Zoho CRM will guide you through the import process, where you'll typically choose your file and match your columns to the task fields. Take your time with those on-screen steps to make sure your data lines up correctly. And that's it. You've now navigated from the main Zoho CRM screen into Activities, into Tasks, and opened the